Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Olive video tutorial how to crop a video. You can right click and we can import for the example video. I will use this video, click open and then move video into track. Use automatical detect and then if you want to crop this video you can select the video and then you can click these icons. Now you can choose the distort and there are crop option you can click and maybe show for the crop option. Now you can crop like from the left point like this. We will crop again in the right. You can increase decrease by using the mouse. You can click hold and then move the mouse object. You also can set for the position by clicking at this point. This is for the position, and if you done you can click outside. Okay, that's it for basic Olive video tutorial, how to crop a video. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.